Today we are going to meditate on the quote, "No man ever steps in the same river twice," by Heraclitus. Open your heart and your mind. This ancient statement by Heraclitus is a profound observation on the nature of change and the impermanence of life. At its surface, the metaphor of a river seems simple. A river flows continuously, its waters never ceasing to move. Yet when we step into it, we find that the very water beneath our feet has already moved on. Even if the river appears the same, every moment presents a new and ever-changing reality. Heraclitus believed that the world is in a constant state of flux, where nothing remains identical from one moment to the next. This idea challenges us to accept that change is the only certainty in life. Just as the river's waters are always in motion, so too are our lives, our thoughts, and our experiences. Every encounter, every decision, and every step we take is unique because time itself never stands still. This quote invites us to reflect on the transient nature of existence. When we think about stepping into a river, we might assume that the act is repeatable and that the experience can be recreated exactly as it was before. However, Heraclitus reminds us that the context of each moment is irretrievably altered by the passage of time. Our perceptions, our emotions, and even our understanding of the world evolve continuously, rendering each moment a singular experience. Moreover, this insight has broader implications beyond the natural world. It suggests that every aspect of life, from our relationships to our personal growth, is subject to constant change. We are never the same person from one day to the next as we accumulate experiences, learn from our challenges, and evolve in subtle yet significant ways. Recognizing this constant change can be both liberating and humbling. It encourages us to embrace the present moment fully, understanding that it will never come again in exactly the same form. In today's fast-paced world, Heraclitus's words resonate as a reminder of the inevitability of change. In our personal lives, careers, and even in the shifted dynamics of society, we witness that nothing is static. This realization can inspire us to be more adaptable and to appreciate the beauty inherent in the ephemeral nature of our experiences. It also prompts us to reflect on the importance of mindfulness, living in the moment and cherishing the fleeting instants that shape our lives. Ultimately, "No man ever steps in the same river twice" is not a call to lament the loss of constancy, but an invitation to celebrate the dynamic, ever-changing flow of life. It challenges us to find meaning in the process of change and to recognize that every experience, no matter how familiar it may seem, carries the potential for new insights and growth. By embracing the continuous flow of time, we learn to appreciate the uniqueness of each moment and to understand that life's beauty lies in its impermanence. If these words have made you feel better or helped you move forward, I invite you to hear other explanations in the other videos on our channel, to subscribe, and to share this video with those around you. If you agree with the explanations of this video on this quote, then feel free to like this video. And if not, feel free to share your opinion in the comments. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.